Hi guys, super quick one today, super duper fast. The MC4 Crimp tool. It's a handy piece of kit for making sure that your MC4s are crimped in the right place and crimped correctly. Follow your manufacturer's instructions. Some of them will have different types of teeth. Some of them have got different settings, making sure that they're not too worn down. You can see in there that these ones have been used. But they can get overused to the point where you're not actually crimping it properly and you're not making a good connection. We're going to talk about arcs and sparks in a couple of days' time, where we talk about how we're going to reduce the risk of thermal effect throughout a solar voltaic system. But as for now, I'm going to just leave it on a quick one of get tooled up properly, have the right tools in your toolbox to be able to do the job that we as consultants are asking you to do. That's Justin at Independent Solar Consultants, hoping that you are tooled up and ready for the new year.